Right, today we have a surprise for Ibrahim and Shaheer.
Yeah.
And they don't know what it is inside.
No.
And should I give it to you?
Yeah.
Do you want to open it up?
Yeah.
Okay, one second. Let me open that off for you to make it easy for you. Are you ready?
I'm opening it first.
Let's see what he's got inside for you.
Whoa! Henry Hoover.
What is that?
Henry Hoover toy.
Wow.
I'm very excited.
Are you excited about it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what does he say? Henry
Hoover
Vacuum
toy.
Cleaner
Yeah.
by Casdon.
Yeah.
Okay. Should we take it?
Yeah.
Right.
Yes. This is a good idea. I thought it was
Whoa.
not Henry. Yeah. We found it now. Whoa. Oh, this is.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay, what we have inside, we have a manual,
Yeah.
and that is a manual. So, what do we have?
Henry.
Yeah. So it comes in two parts. One is the top head, and this is bottom. Henry looks very happy.
Yeah.
Can you see Henry happy?
Yeah.
Henry looks happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it comes to you. He's got a pipe.
Yeah. A
Foot.
handle. A handle and a two pies.
Yes, and what else has he got?
This
Okay, and
is the good
Let's see.
opener.
look at this.
Oh.
We have to put the batteries obviously inside. So that's on and off button. That's a compartment where all the dust will go. Right, so okay. So we put the Henry there. Ibrahim, can you assemble them, please?
Yeah.
Yes? Let's see. And Shaheer, if you can find the lever, you can insert it there if you like to.
Give it a
Yeah, there
twist.
you go.
And
That's a long wire.
This is a very long wire. That and Hoover with a flower. That's a good idea. Now we can put it now. Yes,
Can you?
I
Okay.
can cut a cover and we can put it right there. Oh, here's the red button and green. This one is the on one, this one is the off one. Let's put it on. Let's click.
Right, so what we are missing now?
A battery!
Yappy! So I'll give you the batteries.
Maybe
Convenience.
maybe I need three. No, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, it needs 4 batteries.
Yeah.
Okay.
4 big ones.
Okay.
I'm holding it. Whoa! Wow! Wow! Whoa! This is cool.
You happy with Henry?
Yeah.
Should we see what Henry can do today?
Yeah.
Should we get some dust
Yeah.
and see if he can clean good?
Yeah. I will switch it on and throw it in. Yeah. It's not very good. It's blue. It goes into everything. Yeah. It's not picking so well. We can try with the pie. It's picking up. got there then. Living line. Look. Little chicken. Little chicken. One die. But he likes Superman and Wolf. It's much better than the paper. Rocks and rolls. Now we are in the kitchen. Let's see how we can pick up these. Dusty. I'm gonna do it. Hi, Henry. If lots of taking my dust away, then let's check in his belly. And I'm gonna open his belly. Look at his belly. Wow! Look how many you picked up. Wow! That's my best friend, Hoover. Bye! If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Bye bye!